Okay guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinal TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Canon Pixma TS7451 white color printer. This printer is multifunctional, multitask, triple-in-one if you like, in the sense it can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer is ADF, okay, automatic feeder, is wireless and dual band. What we're going to do is to unbox this printer for us to see what is inside, okay, helping you to make informed choice about this printer. Okay, so we're just gonna unbox this gear. This printer is using 560 black ink cartridges and 561 colored. Sorry, from what you can see here, this is the information pack, CD-ROM. This CD-ROM contains the software for this printer. Okay, this is information pack, TX7451 series Canon in various languages. Now, what we have here is the ink cartridges. .560 black, 561 black ink cartridges, and power cable, 2-pin power cable. Okay. I'm going to bring this out. I just want to say here we go. Right. Okay. The first impression for this printer is nice. It's nice gear. Okay. Right. Here we go. Pixma TX7451. This printer is very compact, very nice, dope technology. From what we can see here, I like the color, black color. I just want to say that it's only 2-pin power cable. Okay, there is no USB cable, unfortunately. This printer is also dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi and the USB cable connection. Okay, so this is 2-pin power cable for UK use. Okay, now I want to show you what USB cable looks like. I got it at home. This is the USB cable for this printer. I'm going to put up a link how you can get this USB cable from amazon.co.uk. Basically, like I said earlier, you can connect this printer. It's wireless, okay, and also connection via USB cable, which is dual band. Okay, and from what we can see from the back here, I want to show you the power cable goes right here. The bottom is the power cable. Okay, so this is 2-pin power cable. So this power cable goes in here. you push it inside. Okay, now the USB cable goes on the top. This is the USB cable. I just want to say, if you connect this printer with the via Canon Smart app, you don't need the USB cable. Okay, this is the USB cable, so you just need to push it inside. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put this aside right now. Okay, and from what we can see, this printer is dope stuff. You can take a picture from your photo and send it to the printer. It will do the job perfectly. Okay, this is nice gear. I like the color. Very beautiful stuff. So here is the paper tray. Okay. I love the scanner. You can see the scanner, what it looks like. So you stick your document on top of the scanner and select the function you want. It will do the job perfectly. So here it is. So we have here is the paper, another paper tray at the bottom here. Okay. So we have button casket. Okay, and also the back paper tray. Okay. Ink cartridges goes in here. Okay, so we load the ink cartridges. It will come right from there to the middle, to the center. Okay, so it will just come right in the middle. So from what I can see here, this printer is nice, dope stuff, very brilliant. You can see the inside, what it looks like. Okay, so this is the unboxing of this gear. This is Canon Pixma TS7451. Nice printer, dope technology. It's beautiful stuff. Okay, it's using ink cartridges 561 and 560 black. Okay, you can see the information pack in various languages. You can see the CD-ROM as well. Okay, this is CD-ROM. Okay, so I like the color for this printer. It's dope stuff. I'm going to plug this printer right now, plug it on, then we go from there. Okay, so to plug this printer on, like I said, I have the socket. Okay, here is the socket. Okay, just need to plug this right in the socket. Okay, the next thing to do is close this down. To close this down, you just need to push it backwards and down. Okay, go back and down. Okay, so you need to push it back slowly front. Okay, so if you bring this up, okay, and want to go down straight, you're gonna break it. So you need to find a way to bring it down. Okay, backwards, then front. Okay, so backwards and off you go. Okay, so you need to find the pattern. Make sure you find the pattern. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this down. Okay, to turn this printer on. So to turn this printer on, here is the on and off button for this printer. Okay, I like the color. Okay, so this is the on and off button. This LCD screen, you can see Canon. Okay, from what we can see here, this is the on and off button. This is the copy, okay, color and black. From here, this is to cancel, this is okay, so this is to go back, this is for you to select the function you want, up and down arrow. Okay, this is when you want to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. It will ask you to press this button here. Okay, so basically this is what this printer looks like. You can see the languages. Okay, you can see the, you need to use this arrow to select the language you want. Okay, right now it's in English language. Okay, so you just need to select the language you want. Okay, press OK, it's English. Then you select you set English as a language, click yes or no. Yes, click OK. Now it's asking us to install the ink cartridges, which I'm going to do on my next video. Thank you very much. This is unboxing of this gear. Thank you.